Ever wondered where to find Iceland's most captivating destinations? Join us as we unveil the ultimate guide to Iceland's top 10 must-visit places, from the geothermal oasis of the Blue Lagoon to the dramatic landscapes of Thingvellir National Park. Get ready for an Icelandic adventure like no other. Join us as we journey through Iceland's natural wonders and cultural treasures. Number 10. Reykjavik. Iceland's vibrant capital captivates visitors with its unique blend of cosmopolitan charm and Icelandic authenticity. Nestled against a backdrop of snow-capped mountains and the icy Atlantic Ocean, Reykjavik offers a wealth of cultural treasures, from its colorful streets adorned with striking murals to its thriving arts scene and eclectic culinary offerings. Explore landmarks like the iconic Hallgrímskirkja Church or delve into the city's rich history at the National Museum of Iceland. By day, soak in the city's creative energy. By night, experience its lively nightlife with cozy cafes, trendy bars, and energetic clubs, welcoming locals and travelers alike. Number 9. Blue Lagoon. A geothermal oasis renowned for its stunning azure waters and therapeutic properties. Located in a lava field near Grindavik, this natural wonder is fed by mineral-rich waters from the nearby Svartsengi geothermal plant. Visitors flock here to unwind in the warm, milky blue waters, known for their skin-healing properties due to their high silica and mineral content. Surrounded by rugged lava landscapes, the Blue Lagoon offers a surreal and relaxing experience, complete with silica mud masks, water massages, and stunning views of the Icelandic countryside. A visit to the Blue Lagoon is a must for anyone seeking relaxation and rejuvenation in Iceland's otherworldly landscapes. Number 8. Golden Circle. A quintessential route that showcases the country's natural wonders and geological marvels. Spanning about 300 kilometers, this popular tourist circuit comprises 3 main attractions. Thingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates meet, offering dramatic landscapes and historical significance. Geysir geothermal area features hot springs, fumaroles, and the famous Strákur Geyser, which erupts spectacularly every few minutes. Gullfoss Waterfall, known as the Golden Falls, cascades dramatically into a narrow canyon. Together, these sites offer a captivating glimpse into Iceland's breathtaking landscapes and geothermal wonders. Number 7. Thingvellir National Park, a geological marvel and a cultural treasure. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it holds immense significance as the meeting point of the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates, where the Earth's crust is visibly shifting. Beyond its geological wonders, Thingvellir is steeped in history, being the site of Iceland's first parliament, the Althing, established in 930 AD. Visitors can explore ancient assembly sites, walk along rift valleys, and marvel at crystal-clear lakes. The park's rugged beauty, historical importance, and geological significance make it a must-visit destination for those seeking to immerse themselves in Iceland's natural and cultural heritage. Number 6. Geysir Geothermal Area, a captivating display of the Earth's power and beauty. Situated in the Hakadalur Valley, it's renowned for its geysers, hot springs, and vibrant geothermal activity. The star attraction is the Strákur Geyser, which erupts spectacularly every few minutes, shooting hot water high into the air. Visitors can also explore other geothermal features like bubbling mud pots and steaming vents. Walking through this surreal landscape, surrounded by the scent of sulfur and the sounds of bubbling water, offers a mesmerizing glimpse into the forces that shape Iceland's dynamic and otherworldly landscapes. Number 5. Gullfoss Waterfall. Gullfoss Waterfall, aptly named the Golden Falls, is a breathtaking natural wonder in Iceland's Golden Circle route. Carved by the Fit River, it plunges dramatically into a narrow canyon, creating a mesmerizing cascade that captivates visitors. With 2 tiers dropping into the rugged abyss below, the waterfall exudes raw power and beauty. Rainbows often dance in the mist, adding to its allure. Whether viewed from above on the canyon's edge or felt from below as its spray kisses your skin, Gullfoss leaves an indelible impression, making it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Iceland's awe-inspiring landscapes. Number 4. Seljalandsfoss and Skogafoss Waterfalls. Seljalandsfoss and Skogafoss Waterfalls are two of Iceland's most iconic natural attractions, located along the southern coast. Seljalandsfoss offers a unique experience as visitors can walk behind the curtain of water, providing a rare perspective of the cascading falls. Skogafoss, with its thunderous roar and impressive height, creates a mesmerizing spectacle against a backdrop of lush greenery. Both waterfalls are easily accessible from the ring road, making them popular stops for travelers exploring Iceland's diverse landscapes. Whether admired from afar or experienced up close, Seljalandsfoss and Skogafoss epitomize the country's majestic beauty and are essential stops on any Icelandic adventure. Number 3. Vatnajokull National Park. Vatnajokull National Park, Europe's largest national park, is a breathtaking expanse of natural beauty in southeastern Iceland, encompassing Vatnajokull, the continent's largest glacier, along with stunning volcanic landscapes, glacier tongues, and dramatic ice caves. The park offers unparalleled opportunities for exploration and adventure. Visitors can embark on glacier hikes, ice cave tours, and scenic drives through diverse terrain, including black sand beaches and glacial rivers. The park's ever-changing landscapes, from icy glaciers to verdant valleys, showcase the dynamic forces of nature at work, making Vatnajokull National Park a must-visit destination for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Number 2. Jokulsarlon Glacier Lagoon. Nestled in Iceland's southeastern region, is a mesmerizing natural wonder that enthralls visitors with its surreal beauty. Formed by the retreat of Vatnajokull Glacier, this picturesque lagoon is adorned with glistening icebergs of various shapes and sizes, creating a stunning contrast against the surrounding black sand beaches. The ever-changing hues of blue and white reflected in the crystal-clear waters make for a captivating sight. Visitors can embark on boat tours to navigate through the floating ice sculptures or simply admire the tranquil scenery from the shoreline. Jokulsarlon Glacier Lagoon offers an unforgettable glimpse into Iceland's glacial wonders. Number 1. Landmannalaugar. Landmannalaugar, nestled in Iceland's remote highlands, is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Known for its striking rhyolite mountains, multicolored landscapes, and natural hot springs, Landmannalaugar offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Visitors can embark on exhilarating hikes along scenic trails that wind through geothermal areas, past bubbling mud pots and steaming vents, and alongside picturesque rivers and lava fields. The area's rugged beauty and otherworldly charm make it a haven for photographers, adventurers, and those seeking solace in nature. A visit to Landmannalaugar promises breathtaking vistas and an immersive journey into Iceland's untamed wilderness. As our Icelandic journey comes to a close, we hope you're inspired to explore these remarkable destinations. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration and guides to the world's most stunning locations. Until next time, happy travels!